So what are we making?
Breadsticks.
What sort of breadsticks?
Soft.
Soft breadsticks. Right, so...
I know what we need to do. We need to add everything in, apart, we only need 1 cup of flour, and then we mix that together, and then we keep adding the flour till the dough's formed.
So 1 cup of flour. What else are we putting in there?
Water.
That's 1.5 cups of warm water. The yeast. That's a tablespoon of instant yeast. What else?
Sugar.
2 tablespoons of sugar.
And salt.
Teaspoon of salt. You're going to grab your other flour. So maybe add it in with a spoon set.
You need to preheat the oven to 200. Film for? I don't know, Dad. How long do we have to film for?
How long have you got to do the proving?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
I'm busy.
What temperature have you, while your bread is resting, what temperature have you got to put the oven on?
200 degrees Celsius.
200 degrees Celsius, okay. Sprinkle some flour. Why are you sprinkling flour?
So it doesn't stick to the board.
Oh, okay.
We've got to roll it out. We're going to roll it out.
What are you going to do when you've rolled it out?
Use a pizza cutter to
Cut it into strips?
yeah.
Oh, okay. You're getting fatter. Not you.
Oh,
Not you.
That's not very nice.
Your strips are getting
You.
fatter. Your strips are getting fatter.
It's lockdown. Okay? It's lockdown. All that you can do is eat.
Well, we go jogging.
I'm not complaining. Done.
So you need to keep them 2 inches apart, don't you? So when they grow up, when they cook in the oven, when they grow up, when you've tortured them in the oven and they've expanded a bit, they don't stick together. Shall I show you something, which is quite cool?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to show you one. No, I'm not.
Just do those ones.
No, I can't. I need one. No. Watch. It's really cool.
He's going to put it in it and then twist it out.
So you just wet that. No, me neither. I love herbs. Okay.
Oh, that's okay.
And then when you twist it, you get intermittent.
Why are you twisting it like that? Why are you twisting it like
I'll show you.
that? That's not going to fit in a pan, Dad.
Yeah, it is. It's no smaller than yours or bigger than yours. You'll see when it comes out. Oh, that'll be good. Carry on.
You need to let them proof for 20 minutes. It's really hot.
Most ovens are hot.
and enjoy.
From bread rolls to cinnamon buns. Cinnamon rolls, sorry. From bread rolls to cinnamon rolls. But that's another story.